I, Neha, on behalf of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, extend my warm welcome to all the participants in India Agricultural Outlook Forum 2020. I now request Mr. P.C. Bhore, Advisor, Directorate of Economics and Statistics, to welcome the participants.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to the 4th India Agricultural Outlook Forum 2020 webinar. May I first of all welcome Shri Purushottam Rupala, Honorable Minister of State, Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, in this virtual conference being participated by leading national stakeholders, organizations from government and non-government organizations of India, but also by participants from the United States of the Department of Agriculture, Australia, Food and Agriculture Organization, and the University of Cambridge. We are delighted to have here the Honorable Minister of State to deliver a special address. Ladies and gentlemen, I also take this opportunity to welcome Secretary DSC and FW Shri Sanjay Agarwal for delivering the keynote speech and thank him for his presence here despite his hectic schedule, and the distinguished speaker Dr. Robert Johnson, Chief Economist USDA, and all the eminent experts chairing the 7 technical sessions and important speakers during this 1.5-day event. Dr. Ramesh could not come to the event due to some unavoidable circumstances. Among eminent academicians, policymakers, executives, and experts chairing the 7 technical sessions are Dr. Sharja Fennell, Department of Land Economy, University of Cambridge, Professor Vijit Sen, Professor Emeritus JNU, Professor Vijay Paul Sharma, Chairman CSCP, Dr. K.L. Prasad, former Principal Advisor, DSC and FW, and Dr. Siraj Hussain, Senior Fellow Equerry and former Secretary DS and FW, and finally Mrs. Sunita Sanghi, Senior Economic Advisor, Minister of Skill and Development. I would also like to welcome all senior officers from the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and the allied sector departments and organizations, our knowledge partner organizations, Center for Management of Agriculture, IIM Ahmedabad, Institute of Economic Growth, Delhi, Agriculture Development and Rural Transformation, ASIC Bangalore, Agroeconomic Research Center, Delhi, and 12 agroeconomic research centers, others involved in this field work, 16 cost cultivation centers engaged in cost data collection for MSP calculations, officials from marketing intelligence units, and the academicians and students of our associated central and state agricultural universities and other organizations and institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to give a brief account of the present context of the Agricultural Outlook Forum. As you know, whereas the present pandemic conditions brought Indian agriculture in the forefront of the country's economy with its stellar performance in these difficult times, there were also a new set of challenges to cope with for better performance in the coming years. In such a situation, this forum can play a paramount role in paving the future path of policy solutions that can ensure higher growth with stability and equity. It is important to realize that only growth with stability and equity can take welfare and prosperity to the doors of the poor and marginal farmers and others in the agriculture sector. In this context, the foremost requirement is to have more foreseeable and dependable national and global agricultural scenarios, and this forum all these years have been excellent in this endeavor with the participation of top national and international experts under the able chairmanship of prominent agricultural economics academicians. During the last 3 forums, there have been conscious efforts for putting in place a vigorous annual deliberation on food demand, supply forecasting, taking into account the latest development in national and international developments. This is in addition to the long-term demand and supply projections that are made to us by the Niti Aayog. The forecasting and outlook discussions were enriched by presence of Dr. Robert Johansson, Chief Economist USDA on the international scenario, and Dr. Pramod Kumar of ADRT in the past. Today, Professor Abhijit Sen, former member Agriculture Planning Commission, Erstwhile Planning Commission, would steer the discussion on this topic by the top experts of Indian demand, supply analysis and forecasting. Professor Pramod Kumar of ADRT Bangalore, who had been associated with the demand supply projection work for a long time, starting from the 11th five-year plan, and Dr. Sangeeta Dubey, the regional institution statistician FAO Bangkok, would be there. This inaugural session is the key to understanding agricultural outlook now and in long run. Ladies and gentlemen, the goal of the department is to take agricultural outlook forecasting and demand and supply projections to those levels of perfections and reliability where they become sought after inputs for policy making, business decisions and academic analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, after this session, the deliberation would focus on the current national and international agricultural economic situation dictated by the pandemic and the way in which India and the world struggle to keep their economies going by minimizing the adverse impacts and taking it as an opportunity to embark on new paths. Game changer farm sector initiatives, converging Indian agriculture with global commitments on sustainable and inclusive growth, decoding agricultural technological potential, exploring new channels for rationalizing cost structure of government procurement agencies, and finally, capacity building for employment opportunities are major themes that the forum would deliberate during these 7 sessions. Ladies and gentlemen, with these words of welcome and brief on the context of the forum, I would like to conclude with wishing the forum success in discussing the challenges threadbare and making actionable recommendations on each issue before India and the world. Thank you. Jai Hind.